Top 25 Profitable Home-Based Business Ideas to Try, 2024. Tips for Starting a Home-Based Business. Part 1. Setting up a brick-and-mortar store can be capital-intensive and time-consuming. But what if you could save yourself the stress and still build a profitable business? Thankfully, with the influence of technology and the internet, you can run a profitable business from home with little or no capital investment. There are several home-based business ideas available today. In this guide, we review 25 of them. A few may require you to put some physical arrangements in place, while others are entirely online. Let's jump right in. 25 Profitable Home-Based Business Ideas. There are several home-based business opportunities you can try out. However, the ones on this list are some of the most profitable home-based business ideas you can efficiently run from home with a computer and an internet connection. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the several businesses you can start from home without inventory or storage space. Dropshipping is a very profitable home business idea you can consider if you are interested in selling products online. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about the production, storage, and shipping of the products you choose to sell. All you have to do is manage tasks like sales, marketing, and customer service while your supplier handles the rest. You profit by selling the product for a higher price than the product's cost price and other costs you have to factor in. 2. Flip websites. This business idea is one of the most exciting small business ideas you can implement from home. All you have to do to flip websites is buy a website that is already running, improve the content and design, and then resell it for a profit. Flipper is a good place to look for websites to flip. In order to ensure your website's content stays protected, try to choose a standard SSL encryption. You can further improve a website through SEO, content marketing, and several other tactics. This added value makes the websites worth more, and you can sell them for a higher price and profit. 3. Sell homemade, handmade products. If you love making crafts, art, or other things that can be used within the home, you can easily monetize your skills by selling the products you make. You can create these products in your home, a studio, a workshop, or a commercial kitchen, store, and even sell them from your home. By making the products yourself, you can control most of the production process. This means you can employ different means to make the process more cost-effective, improve the quality, and even tailor them to individual requests from customers if you wish. Not sure where you can sell them? Try Etsy. The competition is fierce, but the market is large. 4. Start a print-on-demand business. Just like the dropshipping business model, a print-on-demand business does not require you to hold inventory or ship any of your products. This business idea involves selling customized products with your designs on them. You can customize items like basic tees, hoodies, cool tank tops, sneakers, towels, among other things. All you have to do is get a trusted supplier you can work with. 5. USPP website. This business idea is a no-hassle, no-stock business that you can start from home. USPP is a global leader in promotional solutions and also offers the ability to develop unique customized products. They can help you get up and running in less time and at a lower cost. Unlike other businesses, you can own the website they build for you to operate. They offer great sales capabilities and professional customer service by shipping on your behalf, so you don't have to worry about production and shipping. All you need to do is promote it and then get a commission when a customer places an order. 6. Develop apps. With the world becoming a global village and more companies springing up every day, the need for apps has never been higher. This large market is what makes it very profitable as a home-based business. Interestingly, the cost of learning and starting this business has reduced significantly because of affordable developers and easy-to-use tools. You can use different tax software for a small business such as Sketch, Core Animator, and OmniGraffle wireframes and mock-ups, after which you can proceed to publish the app. You can even choose to hire a mobile app development company to work with and still make a significant profit. 7. Become an online tutor. If you have a passion for teaching, you can become an online tutor. There are many people who are willing to learn the skills you have. Skills like music, advanced marketing, sewing, DIYs, or even a second language can get people to register for your course. You can decide on how large you want your class to be. They could be one-on-one classes or small groups. You can also decide how long you will take each class. Whether you prefer to hold 2 hours of classes every week or even an all-day teaching session, you can pace the course as you like. You will also have to create a syllabus and a teaching plan for whatever skill you have to teach. 8. Sell pre-owned items. With rising concerns about the environment, many consumers are adjusting their lifestyles to promote and enhance sustainability. This gives you an opportunity for you to build a profitable business from the comfort of your home by selling pre-owned items out of your garage, like a yard sale. By making the products yourself, you can control most of the production process. This means you can employ different means to make the process more cost-effective, improve the quality, and even tailor them to individual requests from customers if you wish. Just make sure to not create it with paints or other materials that are toxic so you can avoid product liability lawsuits. You can even go ahead to help your friends, family, neighbors, and anyone else sell their unwanted items and make a profit. Things you can sell range from clothing items, accessories, home decor, furniture, and any other item you can get a customer for. If you are getting started, you can use the Teachable platform. They offer a 50% discount code for all new users. 9. Start a dog grooming business. If you have enough space in your home, you can set up a dog grooming business. Most pet owners are so busy that they don't have time to care for their pets. So, if you are good with pets, they won't mind paying you a decent fee to help them with that task. You can just start by leveraging connections from friends and family. You can choose from two options when going into the dog grooming business. The first is to go the retail route. This would mean selling pet grooming items online or from your home. You could also choose to go the service route by offering grooming services to people's dogs for a fee. If you like, you can even combine both. 10. Become a content writer. Several companies need help creating content for their blogs, product pages, and other web pages. So, becoming a content writer can be a worthwhile home business idea for you. You can use different platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and Facebook to get customers and create more exposure for your business. To make the most of it, you can learn more skills like search engine optimization to add value to your customers and charge higher. 11. Become a virtual event planner. Are you skilled at organizing events and programs? Do you love creating schedules? Can you network with people, negotiate with them, and bring them together? Then event planning is a great business idea you may want to develop. With the pandemic, most companies now hold virtual events instead of in-person events, and this has created a market for virtual event planners. As a virtual event planner, you can start without any significant running expenses. All you need is a laptop, a smartphone, and access to the internet. Over time, you can grow your skills within a particular niche to increase your income. 12. Launch a photography business. If you have the skill and ability to capture perfect moments, you should consider becoming a stock photographer and launching your photography business. You can choose to open a Shopify store to sell your pictures or sell them on websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Many companies and individuals are always searching for spectacular stock images. However, running a photography business is more than just taking amazing photos. You will need to learn how to market yourself, build and grow your brand, and select a photography niche.